Are you tired of facing errors while updating or installing your packages on Linux? Well, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you how to fix broken files and update your package lists quickly and easily. Just follow these simple steps. Step number 1. Give root access to your terminal by executing sudo su command. Type the Linux password, hit enter. Step number 2. Navigate to the /etc/apt directory by using cd/etc/apt command. Execute ls and open the sources list file using gedit sources list command. Remove the hashtag from lines 2 and 4, save the file, and close it. Update your package lists by typing apt-get update y and wait for the process to complete. Step number 3. In case of any broken files, use the command apt-get install $dos fix-brokens to fix them. After the process done, it will suggest you to use apt-auto remove. Be cautious when prompted to use apt-auto remove, as it can delete important files. Sometimes the package lists have become corrupted or out of date and need to be refreshed. Note: it is recommended to have a backup or to be certain that the command is being used in the correct directory. Step number 4. Delete all raw data causing the error by typing erm-rf/var/lib/apt/list/star. Finally, update your package lists once again using the apt-get update y command. Follow these 4 simple steps and install and update your packages in Linux with ease. That's it for today's video. We hope you found our Linux error fixing tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found this video useful, and subscribe to our channel for more Linux tutorials and tech content. Also, if you know anyone else who might benefit from this information, be sure to share this video with them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.